Tired of trying to remember exactly how many hours you spent on a task at the end of the week? The 7-Pace timer lets you track your work hours in real time directly from within a Jira work item. Instead of manually logging your hours after completing a task, you can simply start a timer when you begin working and stop it when you are done. To begin tracking your time on a specific task, navigate to the relevant Jira work item and click the Track Time option. The system will instantly switch to display an active timer. This counter continuously measures your passing work time as you focus on your task. When your task is complete, click the stop icon to save your hours. This action immediately launches the Add Time dialog and automatically populates your measured time in the duration field. Note that the recorded tracking time is automatically rounded up to full minutes upon saving, ensuring clean log increments. If you make a mistake or need to cancel a running tracking session without logging any hours, click the bin icon instead. This action deletes the active timer immediately and discards the active timer session without automatically creating a work log. To keep your logging data clean, you can only track one work item at a time. If you attempt to start a new timer while a tracker is already active on a different work item, the system will prevent you from doing so and display a warning message. By utilizing this timer, you can remove the need to reconstruct your work later, keeping your primary focus on your workflow and making your time tracking more accurate and less disruptive. Try starting your next session using the timer option today.